Hi, I'm Connor VanCott with Firefighter Department. Today I'm going to be showing you Stokes basket rigging for Laura. So we're going to start over here. And we're going to, can you come help me get it? We're going to start by putting this victim into the patient harness. So left, blue, right, red. So let's roll him onto his left side. And then, so roll him to his left, and then pull this through, and then roll him back down. Roll him back down. Okay. And then we're gonna go blue for left, red for right. Okay, next we're going to be putting our patient onto the backboard. Can we get a third person? Lashing. So we're going to hold the C-spine, say we're backboarding this person because they had some sort of injury where they need to go out on a backboard. 2, 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, and then we're going to use the spider straps to lash to the backboard. Okay. All right, can we get a fourth person to lift him up and over? Here, you guys just get that end, we'll get this end. Okay, ready, 1, 2, 3. And over, and then the head of the basket. We know this is the head of the basket because of the rings up here. Compared to the feet, as well as the basket itself. Before you put it in, you can see that this part is more meant for the head, and this part is more meant for the feet. It has like kind of the divots for the feet. Okay, so next we're going to lash the backboard to the Stokes basket, and we're also going to lash the harness to the Stokes basket as well. So if you can do the lashing from here, we're going to do one turn, 2 half hitches through the backboard, and then back through here to do 1 round turn and 2 half hitches. And we're going to do that on both ends. And then while they're doing that, so next, while they're working on that, we're gonna be lashing from this loop up so that he doesn't slide forward or backwards. All right, you're gonna girth hitch through this loop. Then he's gonna, here, go through the center of this. There, boom. You want to do one side first. It doesn't matter which you start on. You just want to get one side tightened down securely. So we'll start with the top, and then we'll do the bottom.
Same thing, 1 round turn, 2 half hitches?
All right. 1 round turn, 2 half hitches. We'll go to this one right here. You also want to make sure that you do your 1 round turn and 2 half hitches, not on these horizontal bars, but on the vertical bars here. Right. So now, since they have theirs secure, we can start on ours. So 1 round turn. 2 half hitches. So as you see here, we started from the bottom up. You don't want to do your top first or your middle first. You want to start at the bottom with the backboard, spider straps, then the shifting lashing so that there's no shifting. And then you want to make sure that you do this top lashing so the patient doesn't pull out of the basket. So you want to start with blue first or red first, just do one color first. Tighten that down. Make sure you get some of that slack out. Yep. And then we'll do the red. Let's make sure his arms are out. Okay. All right, and then we'll do red. Make sure that it's secure all the way to the bottom. Okay, now our patient is fully packaged and we're ready to get the patient up the hill and out. So the next part of this process, we're going to utilize a water knot and create a point for the basket to be attached to our mechanical advantage system. So wrapping two of the vertical pillars, not the horizontal. We're going to do a water knot. Okay, you don't want your knot in the middle where the carabiner is going to be held, so we move that over to the side. And you want to flip this over so that you can have some movement. So you hit that here, then we have our bear paw. Make sure that's tight. Alright, so now that is ready to go. We want to have our bridle so that we can have 2 attendants. And then I'll show you 4 attendants. So we'll start with 2 attendants. Ortega, Lashing, can I have you guys come over? So say they have their harnesses on that they can attach to. We're just going to attach to the belt for the sake of this demonstration. We're going to hook in for our bear paw. With 2 people, the basket could potentially get pretty heavy depending on the size of our victim. So we're going to girth hitch this. And then the rescuers can use that to pull some more weight up onto their body rather than lifting with their hand. So that's our two-person setup. And if we lift and they're ready to go, we want to double check our system and double check all of our carabiners and make sure that those are ready to go. So if we want to do a 4-person, can I have 2 more people? The most simple way is to have, instead of 2 ropes going out to each side or a bridle going to each side, we're going to have a bridle go to the left side, or rather the right side and the left side. The way we do this is we're going to unattach this carabiner and take this knot out of this rope. And then we're going to unhook this carabiner from this knot here. And we're going to attach this now to our bear paw. So this will go to the first rescuer into their harness. And this will go to the second. And then we're going to do the exact same on the other side. So the rope doesn't drag on the ground. You can attach this rope here to the basket. You need more?
No,
Or,
down lower.
oh yeah, I need more. Okay. And this carabiner's not supporting anything, it's just keeping the rope off the ground. So now, we double check everything. We could get more of these lifting webbing so that the other rescuers could lift better. But then this goes to our system. So our system would be up the hill where we have more rescuers ready to hoist the screw. Thank you for watching this. This is Stokes basket rigging for low angle operations.